I'm going to show you how to add a Rollo printer to your Mac for printing with NRGship Pro for UPS. So first I'm going to go into Preferences, and then I'm going to go to Printers. And with a Rollo printer, the shipment is actually going to be a laser. Even though the printer is a thermal printer, the thermal option in here for Zebra or Eltron is meant for those types of printers. So we're going to pick laser. And then from the alignment, we're going to pick the one that's in the upper left-hand corner so that it prints out on that single label. And then from here, we're going to make sure that the printer is added on our Mac. So I'm going to go to Add Printer, and here we can see the printer is not showing. So I'm going to pick the printer. It doesn't really show as Rollo in here. And then here, it did auto-select the Rollo thermal driver. So we're going to add that, and we can see our printer is here now. I'm going to go back to my shipment now. I can see the laser option is selected up here in the upper right corner. Note that you always have to make sure that that's selected properly before you actually hit the ship button, because if we try to ship to a thermal printer like a laser or Eltron and it's not, then you're going to have problems. So from here we can just hit ship, and our label is going to print.